Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cake for a very good friend of mine. I try to make her a cake every year, and she really loves flowers, but she was born in November, so we're making a flowers and birds cake for my dear friend Bonnie Jean for her birthday. Let's get started. I started out by frosting a 6-inch round cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I cleaned up the cake board. I wanted to make a marbleized green, so I used 2 shades of green and some white, twisted it together and rolled it out. I laid it over the cake, smoothed it on with my fondant smoother and my hands, and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I used some ivory fondant to model a fat little songbird. I pinched an open beak and pressed in some eye holes. Then I rolled out more ivory fondant, used a fluted cutter to make some wings and a tail. Then I rolled out some pink fondant and made a beautiful rose. If you need a tutorial on how to make a fondant rose, see the link in the card. Then I used a bunch of different flower cutters to make a lot of flowers. Then I placed them all over the cake. Then I made more flowers with the cutters out of purple and placed them on the cake as well. Oh, and I also made a few butterflies. Then I did the same thing with white, this time with a few doves thrown in. Finally, I painted the eyes and beak of the bird with brown food coloring. I am in love with this cake. I love the sweet little fat bird, the rose, and all the colorful flowers. I also love the butterflies and doves. It's just very sweet and girly. Happy birthday, Bonnie Jean! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.